We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. you. Someone like you takes something bad, give it a spin and turn it on its head.